Are you running into that annoying your iPhone cannot be backed up error when trying to back up your iPhone into iCloud? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix that issue and get your backup working again so you can keep all your important data safe. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Turn off, turn on iCloud backup. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, select iCloud Backup from the list. Now, toggle off Backup this iPhone. Then tap on Turn off when prompted. Next, wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. After that, turn on Backup over mobile data if it's off. Now, check to see if the issue is resolved and your backup works. Solution 2. Check iCloud storage. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then tap on iCloud. After that, tap on Storage. Check if you have enough space available for a new backup. If you're low on storage, you can either upgrade your iCloud storage plan or delete unnecessary files to free up some space. Once you've cleared up space, try the backup again to see if it works. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. Open Settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Sign out. Enter your Apple ID password to sign up, then restart your device. Once it's back on, sign back into your Apple ID and try it back up again. And that's how you can fix your iPhone cannot be backed up error. Hopefully one of these steps helped you get things working again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.